Hi, I'm Daisy from Daisy Multifacetica, and today I'm bringing you something new that you're going to love, especially if you do sublimation, laser cutting, use Cricut, or work with GTF. Kittl just launched an amazing new feature called Kittl Flows, and it's going to save you so much time by generating unique design variations in just seconds. The best part is available to everyone, even if you're on the free plan. But if you already have a paid membership, you'll get access to all the features and much more creative freedom. Now, if you're not familiar with Kittl yet, it's a creative online platform where you can find thousands of ready-made templates for all kinds of projects, from t-shirts and mugs to labels, stickers, cards, and so much more. With Kittl, you can also generate images using AI, apply artistic styles with Restyle, remove backgrounds, vectorize images, enhance image quality with upscale, and best of all, you can use the templates as is or fully customize them however you want. If you're interested in learning how to use all of these tools step by step, I already have several videos on my channel where I show you how to create designs for sublimation, DTF, Cricut, and laser cutting using Kittl. Go check them out after watching this video. Now I'm going to show you how the new Kittl Flows feature works. Let's start with a simple piece of text. In this case, create your own magic. Kittl will generate multiple versions of it with different visual styles. What you can create depends on your imagination and the prompts you give. Here's an example I already made using the phrase create and inspire. It started as a super simple design, and I was able to generate all of these variations and even create mockups to show you exactly what we're working on. This feature is perfect if you sometimes get stuck looking for design ideas or if you want to save time creating variations for sublimation, DTF, Cricut, or laser cutting. Let's see what Kittl Flows can do. Here's my artboard. I'll select it, then click this little arrow on the right to generate a smart board. Now, on the right-hand panel, we'll see a rectangle where we can describe what we wanted to create. You can write your prompt in English or Spanish or any other language. I'll write mine in English. I'll ask for something like vintage lettering with retro 70s colors, decorative lines, and curved shapes. I'll also select transparent background and click generate. Here's what it created. Look how cute it turned out. Now we can convert it into an image by clicking the bottom at the top. Then remove the yellow background and voila! We got a ready-to-use design for sublimation or DTF. I love how it will look on a t-shirt. Let's select the smartboard again. Click the arrow and try a new prompt. This time, I'll ask for elegant fonts with soft floral designs in the background, watercolor tones, and feminine colors. Click Generate. And here it is, a very delicate, pretty design. Simple but beautiful. We can convert it to an image, remove the background, and it's ready to go. There is also something really cool you can do. Create a mockup. Just select the smartboard again, click the arrow, and describe what you want. For example, create a mockup with this design on a white pillow placed on a green chair in a waiting room. And look, here's the mockup. The design came out a little big, but it's a great example. This is such an easy way to visualize how your sublimated or DTF design will look in real life. Let's make another one. I'll type a new prompt asking for a metallic gold design. Generate, convert to image, and here we have a different style. This is just one example of what you can do with a simple text design. Just like the pillow mockup, I also made this hoodie mockup. Check it out. Looks great on a t-shirt, hoodie, or bag. Now I'm going to show you how to modify an existing design and make it your own. Here is a backpack design I like, but I wasn't happy with the colors. I wanted more vibrant and kid-friendly. This was the original, and here are the variations I made after playing around. I've already created mockups with that design. Check out how cute it looks on a hoodie, tote bag, and t-shirt. Let's use the same backpack. I'll create a new artboard and add a prompt. In English, the prompt is colorful design surrounded by bright, playful flowers in kid-friendly colors like yellow, turquoise, pink, and orange in a cheerful and fun style. Click Generate, and here's a fresh new version, a little different. What do you think? Let's try another one. This time I'll write back to school in the prompt. Look, same design, but with added text. Want a different font? You can just write that in the prompt, like bold text with lots of colors, and Kittl will do the rest. Convert to image, remove the background, boom, so beautiful. Now let's create another mockup. Select the smartboard, click the arrow, and write something like create a mockup of a little girl wearing a light turquoise shirt with this design on the front. And here we have it, a mockup of a little girl wearing the t-shirt with our design. This is how it would look if you used Sublimation or DTF. Want to cut this design with your Cricut? Just vectorize it. Select the design, click Vectorize, then count the number of colors. This one has about 5. I'll set it to 5 stars. And here's the vectorized design with 5 color layers. Now let's try it with just 4 colors or 4 layers. Perfect for Cricut cutting. You can also change the layer colors or delete any layers you don't need. Now let's show you something else you can do with Kittl Flows. I created a pen sketch, uploaded it, and wrote a prompt asking Kittl to refine the design and add color. It turned out pretty cool. This one is my favorite. It looks embroidered and will be great for personalized project or even a logo. Let me show you the process. Here's my sketch. I'll surround it with an artboard. Then click the arrow to bring up the prompt panel. The prompt: refine the sketch and turn it into a clean, cheerful design using a mix of print and script fonts with pink, gold, and black colors. Click Generate. And here's what it made. Pretty simple, but you can keep refining it to get what you want. I also asked for embroidered style designs and got these really nice variations. This could be used for logos, signs, or other fun projects. Next, let's look at how to create illustration sets with Kittl Flows. Say you already have a design and want to make more in a similar style. For example, I have this little popsicle in kawaii style and wanted similar illustrations for strawberries, melons, or butterflies. Here's how it works. Give prompt like add a yellow flower with leaves or add a lemon, and it creates those for you. Convert them to images, remove the background, and you're done. Now let's create one from scratch. Prompt. Create a butterfly in purple, pink, and black with a flower on the right side. Click Generate, and here it is with the same happy face as the popsicle. Convert it to an image, remove the background, and voila! A super cute butterfly that your kids are going to love. Want to add text? Just include that in your prompt too. You can also use Kittl Flows to make logos, stickers, and badges. Create an embroidered style circular badge in black and pink. Click Generate. So cute. Looks very realistic. Love how it turned out. Now let's try the same but as a logo. Create a circular layered wood logo with black and pink outline. And here's the result. Looks like a laser cut logo. Convert to image, remove the background, and looks amazing. Now let's make stickers for kids. Select the design, create a smartboard, and enter the prompt. Create a sticker with white border and text that says Sweet Summer or Sweet Like You. I'll write it in English. And here it is. I'll resize it to see it better. Convert to image and you're done. Perfect for cutting with your Cricut machine or any other cutter machine. I am absolutely loving this new Kittl Flows feature. You can modify simple text and customize it to your style, transform and personalize existing images, turn rough sketches into polished designs, create designs for logos, stickers, and badges. Make realistic mockups to showcase your designs professionally, and much more. Don't forget, I left the link to Kittl Flows below in the description so you can try it out and start creating your own designs. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helps you create quick, beautiful designs with Kittl Flows. Check the description for the direct link to try it free during the launch campaign. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, ideas, and creative tools to help you with your sublimation, Cricut, laser, or DTF projects. See you in the next video.